Video Series 2 about the Papyrus Business Correspondence solution shows how the Papyrus Business Designer is used in different departments to manage the complete lifecycle of interactive forms and wizards. Filling out forms and providing necessary data has never been easier. Wizards and forms can be accessed through desktop, in a browser, and on mobile devices. Data is automatically synchronized with your favorite CRM application, and forms are dynamically updated with acquired data, depending on the choices and decisions a customer makes. The solution features a unified single-source approach across all document formats. It runs in the cloud and on-premises with full support of strict data separation for different tenants. Document administrators define and manage versioned and reusable building blocks for interactive form and wizard templates. They can be used in multiple channels like print, email, and web. Document administrators design templates for batch, online, and ad hoc document applications using web and interactive forms. This is all done with centrally stored building blocks. Release managers promote new document releases from the design into the test stage. Testers run simulations with different data constellations before templates are released into production. Auditing and analytic metrics of templates and building blocks can be visualized by managers using the reporting workplace. This video focuses on document form design. Our document will be designed with reusable building blocks stored in the document library. Let's have a look at how easy it is to create a form element, like this one, with multiple input fields. Administrators can search for content in the library and drag and drop elements to the document tree. They can adjust positioning if needed. Vertical offset and other parameters can be adjusted easily. Data input fields are also dropped into the document structure at the right form positions. Variables either display default values or test data using the Experts tab. All properties of the data fields are easy to control. There are various form design elements to choose from when assembling a document. From barcodes and charts, checkboxes and checklists, all are instantly available in the library. Corresponding elements are depicted in the document definition and can be dragged and repositioned to your liking. We will continue with wizard design in the next video.